Explore Builder is a customizable, click-based search module. This may include things like themed books for holidays, required class reading, age-specific material, and more. The ability to search with the click of a button is especially beneficial for patrons who struggle with text-based searches. All your patrons have to do is click through the Explore buttons, and Alexandria will do the rest. To create and customize the buttons found on the Explore module, use the Explore Builder found under Tools. The buttons you create can be set to do one of 4 things. Perform an instant search for titles, authors, subjects, or ebooks, link to another Explore pane, display a message, or open a web page. You also have the option to change the color scheme of the interface, so everything is entirely unique to your library. For information on how to create Explore panes and Explore buttons, we recommend contacting our customer support team.